In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a line break in WordPress in just a few simple steps. For many of us working with content in WordPress, the need to format our text to improve readability is crucial. One such formatting trick is creating line breaks within paragraphs or headings without starting a completely new paragraph. This helps not only in maintaining the flow of your text, but also assists in highlighting specific parts of your content that might require emphasis. So let's dive right in and explore how you can achieve that. First, you need to log into your WordPress dashboard. This is your control center for all things related to your website, from creating posts to adjusting settings. Once you're logged in, navigate to the post or page where you want to add a line break. This could be a blog post you're writing or a particular page that needs some tweaking for a better readability. After you've selected your desired post or page, the key to remember here is using what's known as a soft return. A soft return allows you to break lines without creating a new block or paragraph, maintaining the continuity of your text. To do this, you will need to use a simple keyboard shortcut. Click inside the paragraph or heading block where you want to insert the line break. It's important that your cursor is exactly where you want the new line to begin, as WordPress will create the line break at the cursor's position. Here's the trick. Instead of pressing the Enter key, which creates a hard return and a new paragraph, you will press Shift plus Enter simultaneously. This combination produces a soft return or a line break within the same block. It's a subtle yet powerful way to enhance your text layout without disturbing the overarching structure of your post or page. This simple step is especially useful when you're looking to improve the visual separation between ideas in a paragraph, or to create more breathing space in a heading. It seamlessly integrates new lines into the existing block without creating unwanted spacing that can disrupt the overall design of your post. Remember, practice makes perfect. Take your time to experiment with text formatting within WordPress to see the different ways small changes can impact your content's presentation. That's it for today's demonstration on adding line breaks in WordPress using the soft return method. I hope this tutorial was clear and easy to follow. If you found this video helpful, click the like button and consider subscribing to our channel for more straightforward WordPress tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.